Hey everybody, Cooper at DSI Automotive today talking about the Fur-EEL products from Buff Brite. So as you can see here, I am putting on the Fur-EEL Pro 2.0 pet hair vac on with the attachment for the shop vac, as well as the Fur-EEL Hammerhead pet hair vacuum attachment. The great thing about the Fur-EEL products is that they connect to your vacuum, and if you have a larger vacuum, such as a shop vac, there is an adapter available. Going in first with the Fur-EEL Pro 2.0, which is made of a polymeric silicone, which will pull hair, lint, and sand out. The Pro 2.0 does have a more narrow nozzle to get into some of those hard to reach places, but it is viable for the entire vehicle. Now going in with the Hammerhead attachment, this thing is 6 inches wide and allows you to collect more hair in wider surfaces. Going into the seats here, you can see I'm using the 2.0 for those narrow, tight spaces. And the heads on the 2.0 last 10 times longer than the original Fur-EEL. After extended use, the teeth will dull on the Fur-EEL 2.0, but there is replacement heads available. Going back in with the Hammerhead, you can see it's much more efficient with those wider, flat surfaces. You can find the 2.0, the original Fur-EEL, the Hammerhead, the adapter, and replacement heads all at DSIautomotive.com.